Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair USB error code 43 in Windows 10. Chapter 1. Fix USB error code 43 in Windows 10 from power. To start, enter Plan in the search box. Click on Edit Power Plan. After this, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the pop-up window, you are going to click on USB Settings, then select USB Selective Suspend Setting. In this field, you must leave the value disabled. Click OK. To see these changes, restart Windows 10. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. Fix USB error code 43 in Windows 10, reinstalling the driver. To start, right-click on Start, click on Device Manager. Here, in the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section, right-click on the failed controller and click on Uninstall Device. You must click on Uninstall to carry out this process. After this, in the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the USB driver. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.